Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with a protective style tutorial. And I have been loving wearing protective styles for years and years and years. And so I wanted to come here and show you guys how I achieved this style. Perfect for the fall and winter, and I use clip-ins, y'all. So this is my hair. It's very, very dirty. It's a really, really old twist out. I had this twist out in through working out, and things of that nature. So my hair is actually super duper moisturized. So the clip-ins I'm going to use are from Better Length, and this is the Kinky Coily clip-ins. This is a 20-inch clip-in set, and it has a tighter curl pattern. So I did wash and condition the hair and let it air dry as is. You of course can twist this hair out to get like a twist out look, but I decided to leave it in its air dried state. So I am going to use my fingers. If you're familiar with my hair journey, I really don't use combs. I only use combs on wash days. So I like to do a lot of maneuvering throughout my hair with my fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put this, my hair up into a higher ponytail because I want a top knot bun. So I'm just going to gently do that. And I don't mind that it's not super sleek or anything because I want a super low manipulation style. So I'm just going to gather all my hair up together as is, like this, okay? And I'm going to use an ouchless hairband, and I'm going to tie this around my head. And I like to use the hairbands that don't have a metal clasp, and I like the thicker ones now that I'm natural because it doesn't snag on my hair. So I only wrapped it around my hair about 3 times. And I am going to pin down my leave out from my ponytail holder because I'm going to wrap the clip-ins around my hair. The base of my ponytail actually. So I just take a couple of clip-ins. I actually take the longer ones because they wrap around my hair a little bit better because I want more of coverage around the ponytail base. So I just clip it around my ponytail. And I only needed 3 clip-ins. And I used 3 of the longer ones, and the density of the clip-ins is so full and nice. I didn't have to use like a whole bunch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the hair and kind of just twist it around the base of my hair to cover up where I clipped in the hair. So I want kind of like a fairly big, top knot bun, cinnabon type situation. So sometimes you have to start over and figure out which way you want things to go. So I take smaller sections within the clip-ins and just kind of wrap them around. And I'm using bobby pins to secure it. So I wrap one going one way and then take another small piece and wrap it around going the opposite direction to create a kind of like a donut bun or like a cinnabon at the top, and make sure everything is nice and covered. So I'm just going to continue doing that until all the pieces are pinned, like so. And I actually twist the hair and pin it, and I'm just going to go ahead and pin any areas that need to be pinned just to give it a neater appearance at the top. And I really love the color of this clip-in set because my hair is naturally dark and it matches really, really well. And I love that the clip-ins have this texture to them because it matches my hair and I don't have to do much to make it blend. So now I'm going to take a little bit of lavender water and glycerin and spray it on my edges. Again, you guys, my hair is dirty, okay? So this is a perfect style for me when I'm like, ooh, I need my hair to look, a nice way. I'm going somewhere, just something quick to do. So I'm gonna put some Vonte edge effects onto my hair. And again, my hair is dirty. Okay, so I am sorry. So if you see anything brown, that's actually makeup powder, okay? So I'm actually going to put the Vonte edge effects. It's basically like edge control. It's great. I love this stuff. I'm going to apply this all around the perimeter of my hairline. Not too much though. And I'm just going to use a brush to kind of brush that on in. I use a larger edge brush, and then I go back in with the smaller one to define my edges. So I'm just gonna brush this on in, and then kind of take the smaller brush to kind of swoop my edges the way I want them. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a scarf around my hairline, and I'm gonna let that sit on for about 10 minutes or so. The longer you let this sit, the flatter your edges will lay. So I'm just gonna tie that around the back and let that on sit, okay? And now that it's sat on there for a little bit, it's nice and flat, I like to loosen up my edges to give them more of a wispy appearance, because I don't like that greasy, edgy look. I like it for it to look really soft and effortless. So that's why I kind of loosen up my edges. And I'm using a small edge brush to do that. I got this from my local beauty supply store. And just create some really pretty wispy hairs, not bangs, wispies. And I'm gonna take the Vonte, I think this is called, what is this called? The silk something. It's basically like spritz or a holding spray, and I just put a little bit in my hand and just kind of slick up any kind of flyaways that I might have. And I'm gonna take a cute little scarf just to add some, you know, personality to my top knot bun. You can use any scarf of your choice. I'm using this one because it's just cute and it matches my shirt. And you can like leave it tied like that, or tuck the little ears, or I call them like rabbit ears when the bandana pokes out like that. You can tuck them, which is what I did. Put some cute hoop earrings on, and you're pretty much ready to go. I love doing this hairstyle now that my hair is longer. I can do more. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comment area, and all information and how many clips you get with this clip-in set is down in the description below. And the website to Better Length is down in the description below if you want more information about the other textures and products that Better Length has. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. And also feel free to stick around and watch more of my videos here.